Okay, dito sa... Ay! Ano ba yan? Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a first impression review of the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. I got mine from stylekorean.com. I am not sure how many shades they have. Let me check. Meron silang 8 shades and I got the shade Amber kasi ito yung pinaka-dark. Right now, it's actually looking not bad at all. Kanina kasi when I first applied it, super light niya sa mukha ko. Not super light, but you know, you can tell na hindi ko talaga siya shade. But right now, it's looking good. Yung price niya is $15.97 USD. Ilalagay ko yung conversion dito. Of course, mag-iba yung conversion kasi diba yung dollar iba. But right now, it is this much in pesos. So, mga 800 plus siya. Hindi siya mura ha. Mahal siya. 800 plus for a foundation. I'm pretty sure available siya sa Philippines kasi meron tayong Etude House sa Philippines. That, I am not sure kung magkano siya sa Pilipinas. Kasi sa napapansin ko, mas mura sa Style Korean compared sa like, you know, actual physical store sa Philippines. Dito sa packaging, wala siyang claims. Pero sa stylekorean.com, nakita ko yung mga claims niya. Ang dami niyang claims, guys. Meron daw siyang magnet-like adhesion. Like, you know, nagsistay daw talaga yung foundation sa mukha. We'll see how that goes. And then, sabi pa dito, it lasts for 24 hours daw. Obviously, I cannot test this for 24 freaking hours. I wash my face before I go to bed. Pero i-update ko kayo mamayang gabi, at the end of the night, and see kung ano magiging itsura niya. Sabi pa dito, as time goes by, it naturally mixes with the sebum from your skin to prevent breakage in your foundation. Double coverage, and then sabi niya, able to cover dark-colored makeup. That, I do not know. Kasi hindi siya full coverage sa akin. Nakikita ko pa rin hanggang ngayon, kahit na may powder na ako, nakikita ko pa rin yung mga blemishes ko. And then, sabi niya, it's non-sticky daw. So, hindi daw siya nagsistick sa buhok. Which is true naman. Good, 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 good. And now, I will go ahead and show you guys the application part. And, yeah, yun. Okay, let's go ahead and apply the foundation. Na-apply ko na yung aking primer, yung Sephora Smoothing Primer. I also already moisturized my face beforehand. Nag-apply ako ng eye cream. Now, we are ready for this bad boy. Ganito yung packaging niya, guys. Same. Very nice actually yung packaging. This is again the darkest shade na. Tingnan nyo yung packaging na yan. I will be posting a picture para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya sa website. Because sa website, it's dark. Like, it's dark. And hindi siya ganun ka-dark. I'm kind of disappointed. Meron siyang pump, which is always a plus. And it also has SPF 34, PA++. This is one pump right here. It's a bit runny. Gagamit ako ng brush on this side and then I will be using a sponge on the other side. Like, look how runny that is, you guys. And looks like it's not gonna match. Actually, parang light siya tingnan sa camera, pero in person, it's really not super light. Still a little light. See? Puti niya. Why, oh why? As in, sobrang iba niya, guys, sa website. Again, ipopost ko yung picture. Sa website, dark talaga siya. And when I get something online, especially foundation, I go for the darker shade. Like, feeling ko, it's gonna be darker than my skin tone. Because usually, in person, it's lighter. But this one, it's just so off. Like, sobrang layo ng difference ng shade nila sa picture at saka in real life. Ooh, napadami. Guys, you do not need a lot. Pero it's blending really well sa aking ears. Ears! Nag-match sa ears. Wait, in fairness sa kanyang finish, it's really nice. Hala guys, i-blend ko siya ha ng more than half my face kasi napadami ng bongga yung foundation. Yung nilagay ko is half a pump lang sa face ko, tapos naglagay pa ako sa neck ko. So, a little goes a long way with this foundation. I-blend ko lang siya ng maayos. Once na-blend mo na siya, hindi na naman siya as in ganun kaputi talaga tingnan. Okay, now, ilalagay ko yung rest of the foundation sa kabila. And gagamit ako ng sponge. Hala, I like the finish, guys, sa sponge. Kapag sponge yung gamit, mas natural looking siya tingnan. Like, you can still see, nakikita pa rin yung yung, you know, skin ko. Hindi siya like, you know, I have a lot of foundation. Dito, parang okay lang naman siya. Sobrang konti lang ng difference. Mas may coverage siya kapag brush yung gamit mo. So, i-blend ko lang ng maayos lahat with the sponge. Maganda naman yung feeling niya sa face. Hindi naman siya mabigat sa mukha. And hindi siya mahirap i-blend. So far, So good. You can use a brush, you can use a sponge, walang problema. It's not full coverage at all. And as you guys can see, medyo dewy siya. Nakalimutan ko, I have oily skin pala guys. Medyo tacky siya sa feeling kapag tinouch mo yung mukha mo. So siguro hindi pa siya fully nag-set. I will go ahead and apply my concealer. And then I will apply bronzer as well para hindi ganun ka-ghostly. Okay, now na na-bronze ko na siya, hindi na naman siya ganun ka, wow, ang puti ng mukha mo tingnan. Hindi na naman siya ganun. I will go ahead and set my face with my Mary Kay translucent powder. And then I will just finish my makeup like my eyebrows and blush and lipstick, you know. Okay, so tapos ko na yung makeup ko. Ngayon, hindi na siya tacky sa feeling. Well, I also set my face with powder, pero super light lang ng powder all over my face. Pero yeah, so far, okay naman siya. It is now 10:45 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. Hi guys! Gusto ko lang kayo i-update sa foundation under natural lighting. So, ganito yung itsura niya. It looks really good under natural lighting. Kapag meron kasi yung studio lights, parang nagiging sobrang puti ng mukha ko tingnan. But, under natural lighting, it's looking really good as you guys can see. Hindi ako nag-oil up ng bongga. Meron lang konti sa ilong ko. Hindi ako naglinis. Maglilinis ako today. So, makikita natin mamayang gabi kung ano talaga magiging itsura niya. Like, after pinagpawisan ka. Because, I'm pretty sure pagpapawisan ako mamaya. Actually, pinagpawisan ako ng konti kanina. Yung katawan ko lang, yung mukha ko hindi masyado. In-arrange ko yung mga sapatos ko kanina. So, nagpawis ako, but yung mukha ko, hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-oily. Yung blush ko nandito pa rin. I'm actually really liking how it feels. Hindi siya sticky sa mukha at all. Again, yung ilong ko lang, medyo oily siya tingnan. I did take a flash photo kanina, and maputi talaga tingnan yung mukha ko. Meron din naman kasing SPF tong foundation na to, so that's one thing for sure. Under natural lighting, okay na okay siya tingnan. Hindi siya like sobrang puti sa mukha ko tingnan. I can wear this. Gusto ko siya. So, as long as hindi ka nagpa-party-party ng gabi, okay lang tong foundation na to. Pang umaga lang siya. For me, ha? Kasi walang flash, photo, kapag umaga, tapos walang studio lights. You know what I mean? Kung natural lighting lang, okay na okay tong foundation. Again, titingnan natin mamayang gabi kung ano magiging itsura niya after ko maglinis ng bahay because I am planning to do some general cleaning today, you guys. So, we'll see. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, but it's 4:23 ng hapon na. It is now 9:03 ng gabi. So, matagal-tagal na din itong foundation na to sa mukha ko. Yung pinakauna napansin ko nung tinanggal ko yung glasses ko is yung cakiness na ganap sa kung saan naglaland yung sa dito. Na-notice ko na nag-rub off na yung foundation sa nose area ko. Pero I was rubbing my nose din naman kasi maraming beses kasi hindi ko alam, sinisipon ako na hindi ko maintindihan. Nag-oil up na din ako, especially sa T-zone ko. Hindi naman completely nag-rub off yung foundation. Na-notice ko lang na mas nagiging thin yung coverage niya. Diba kanina medium coverage? Ngayon, very light na coverage na lang siya. Nakikita ko na nagpipeek through na ng bongga yung skin ko. Pero nandito pa din naman yung blush, yung highlight ko. Nandito pa rin. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. And ganito lang yung oiliness na ganap. So, para sa akin, okay na okay siya. Naglinis ako ng bahay today. Like, buong bahay naglinis ako ng 2 banyo. Like, buong bahay talaga nilinis ko. So, I was sweating. Pero hindi ko na-feel na nababother ako ng foundation. Like, very lightweight pa din yung foundation. Hindi siya sticky sa feeling at all. And we also went out today. So, maraming ganap today. Naglinis, lumabas ng bahay. And para sa akin, except for the nose area ha, na I kept on rubbing today, it actually held up pretty well. And it looks really good under natural lighting. Like, sobrang ganda. Under studio lights, hindi siya ganun kaganda. As you guys can see, obvious na parang puti talaga yung mukha ko compared sa neck ko. But under natural lighting, it's really good. I showed you guys that earlier. And I actually don't mind it. Ang inaano ko lang is kapag linek, you know, pumunta ka ng mall. Tapos, ang gaganda ng lighting sa mall, diba? Yung mukha mo parang wow, maputi yung mukha mo. Aside from the shade, I like it. I like the way it feels sa mukha ko. And hindi ko masasabing super long lasting siya. Kung worth it ba yung presyo niya na 800 plus or maybe more kapag binili mo siya sa physical store talaga sa Etude House, I don't think so. Yung Milani ko na foundation na I really like, it's cheap. I think it's only 500, 600 pesos. Well, not only. Like, mahal pa din yan. Pero, you know, compared dito, mas gusto ko yun. So, I prefer na yun na lang yung gagamitin ko. Tapos, okay pa yung shade sa akin. Hindi siya maputi tingnan, you know. I don't have to worry about, oh, paano na kapag I'm under studio lights or whatever. If this matches your skin tone, okay na okay siya. Sa akin, hindi siya nag-match. So, hindi siya ganun ka-okay para sa akin. If meron silang shade na match sa akin. I would say, yeah, it is worth 800 plus. So yeah, that is it for my review. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye!